Experience next-level deep cleaning with the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum, engineered for powerful suction, advanced hair removal, and whole home performance. Designed specifically for homes with pets, carpets, and multiple floor types, this high-performance corded vacuum delivers up to 290 air watts of strong, consistent suction that tackles embedded dirt, stubborn debris, and ground-in pet hair with ease. At the heart of this upright vacuum is the advanced De-tangling Motorbar trademark cleaner head. Engineered with innovative hair removal vanes, it automatically clears wrapped hair from the brush bar as you clean, making it ideal for homes with shedding pets or long hair. No more stopping mid-clean to cut away tangled strands. This technology ensures continuous, powerful performance across carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra features 3 optimized suction modes to adapt to every cleaning scenario. Whether you're deep cleaning thick carpets, refreshing area rugs, or maintaining hardwood and tile floors, you can easily switch to the right setting for maximum efficiency and control. Its powerful motor penetrates deep into carpet fibers to lift hidden dust, allergens, and pet dander, leaving your floors visibly cleaner and fresher. Thanks to Dyson's signature ball trademark technology, maneuvering around furniture, corners, and tight spaces is effortless. The vacuum pivots smoothly on the ball for precise steering, allowing you to glide around obstacles without awkward twisting or lifting. The self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adapts to different floor heights, maintaining optimal contact for consistent suction. This vacuum is built for pet owners who demand serious performance. The included specialized pet tools make it easier than ever to remove hair from upholstery, stairs, car interiors, and hard-to-reach areas. Tackle couches, pet beds, curtains, and tight corners with attachments designed to capture stubborn hair and fine dust particles. The advanced whole machine filtration system captures microscopic dust and allergens, helping to improve indoor air quality while you clean. This sealed filtration system traps particles inside the vacuum, preventing them from being released back into your home environment. With its large capacity dust bin, you can clean more and empty less frequently. The hygienic bin emptying mechanism allows you to dispose of debris with minimal contact, simply point and release. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a dependable cleaning solution for busy households. As a corded upright vacuum, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra provides uninterrupted power for extended cleaning sessions. There's no need to worry about battery life, just plug in and enjoy consistent, fade-free suction from start to finish. From everyday messes to deep seasonal cleaning, this vacuum handles it all. Whether you're managing heavy foot traffic, multiple pets, or allergy concerns, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum delivers powerful, intelligent cleaning performance designed to simplify your routine. Upgrade your cleaning system with advanced suction power, detangling brush technology, and precision maneuverability. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra isn't just a vacuum, it's a complete deep cleaning solution for modern homes.